So when we talk of integration, we are just talking of anti-differentiation. For example, if you're given like find the dy dx of 2x, what you used to do is you of 2x squared, for example, you used to reduce the power by 1 and multiply the base with an odd power. So we're going to have 4x. Now when I talk to integrate is anti-differentiation. When it comes to anti-differentiation or integration, we are saying you increase the power by 1 and you divide the whole equation by the new power. So if we increase the power by 1 and we divide by a new power, we are going to have 2x squared, which will take us back to the differential function. So that's what integration is. Let's look on how we can integrate some of the things. So for example, we say integrate 2x to the power 3 minus 3x plus 1. I can integrate that. I know that the symbol for integration is the integral symbol in form of an s, but you write it like this. That's the symbol for an integral. How to integrate? So we're saying you increase the power by 1 throughout. Then at the end of the function, you include the constant, see what we call the arbitrary constant. So I'm saying this is 2x to the power 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 minus 3x 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 plus c. Now the c, that plus x, sorry, there is 1 here. 1 becomes x, then plus c. So this is 2x to the power 4 over 4 minus 3x squared over 2 plus x plus c. Note that this can be reduced to 1 over 2. So this is same as x to the power 4 over 2 minus 3x squared over 2 plus x plus c. That's how we can integrate that. Integrate this function with respect to x. So know that the 2 here is dividing each part of the function like that. So we are saying this is the same as x to the power 4 over 2x cubed minus 3x over 2x cubed plus 1 over 2x cubed. Now we can simplify. We've got 4x on top and 3x on down, so we can cancel that and remain with the x down and just 2 there. So we're saying x over 2 minus, we can cancel 1x there and 1x there, remain 2x. We're saying is 3 over 2x squared plus 1 over 2x to the power 3. Then from there we can integrate and say x over 2. When you integrate x itself is going to give you x squared divided by 2. So I'm saying x squared over 2, since there's already 2 down, 2 comes down, minus 3 there becomes 3x so we can take this on top there and it becomes negative 1 over 2 times negative 1, which is inside, plus this part, when you take the x on top, becomes x to the power negative 3 over 2. Sorry, negative 2, sorry, not then here, negative 2 in brackets, plus c the outside. So we are going to have x squared over 4 plus 3 over 2x minus 1 over 4 x squared plus c. You've integrated. How can you integrate dx? What you need to know is dx, the integral of dx, it means 1 dx. Now, we know that according to integration, something like this gains a variable of x. So I'm saying this one becomes x plus c. I can integrate x to the power 5. This becomes x to the power 6 over 6 plus c. Then how can I integrate 2t to the power 3 dt? So we know that this is 2t to the power 4 over 4 plus c, which give us t to the power 4 over 2 plus c. When you reduce, there is 1 and there is 2. Let's look at integration of ln x. We know that ln also talk of ln. So look at ln and ln. How can you integrate this? I'm sure you've seen them somewhere. So, for example, if I say integrate, find the integral of 1 over x dx. Now, if you remember properly, this is an index. A function of this form, we know that if it's an index, it's the same as x to the power negative 1. Now, according to integration rules, it's saying you increase the power by 1 and divide by the new power plus 1. So we're going to have x to the power 0 over 0, which is undefined. So how do you integrate such a function? That's when you need to introduce what you call ln. So ln, the integral of 1 of x is the same as ln x plus c. It's the same as when I say find the integral of 2x. It's the same as ln bar 2x bar plus c. Let's look at this example. If I say integrate 3x minus 2 to the power negative 1. In this case, 3x minus 2 to the power negative 1 is the same as 1 over 3x minus 2 according to indices. So I still maintain that. Then if you need to integrate this, we know that due to the presence of x alone there, it becomes something difficult to integrate. So I'm going to introduce ln. The first thing that you must know is you've got a function of this form x plus 2. So you need to take into consideration of this. So you need to differentiate this first. You know that dx of 3x plus 2 is 3. So this will be 1 over 3 ln bar 3x minus 2 bar plus c. So in short, we are saying the integral of dx over ax plus b, it is 1 over a ln ax plus b plus c, like the way I'm from doing it in the previous example. Like in this case, if we have 1 over 3x plus 4, this will be the same as 1 over 3 ln bar 3x plus 4 plus plus c. What the integration of ln? The e, known as e, for example, if I want to integrate something with a x to the power b, this would be the same as 1 over a e ax plus b. For example, if I say integrate e 3x plus 4, this will be 1 over 3 e to the power 3x plus 4. As simple as that.